The link for the Telugu version of this audio message is available in description. Kindly find the same. Good afternoon, students. This is Mohan. I would like to share a development with all of you. I think that majority of the students would have remembered about the notification issued by ICAI in the month of October 2020. According to that notification, students can register for CA Foundation examination soon after completion of their 10th class itself on provisional basis. The students who get registered by using this notification can appear for the CA Foundation examination in the immediate May or June soon after completion of their 10 plus 2 or intermediate examinations. See, prior to this notification, students have to wait till the November or December for appearing their CA Foundation examination. So, by this notification, student can appear for the CA Foundation examinations well in advance, and he or she can save a valuable time of 6 months. So, my dear students, for this notification, our academic director or academic advisor, Prakash sir, have put a lot of efforts. Number of mails have been sent by Prakash Garu to many of the ICA officials as well as the Central Council members and the SARC members. And apart from sending mails, Prakash sir made number of phone calls to the Central Council members as well as SARC members known to him and explained need and necessity of such notification. For example, if you take the IIT JEE examinations as an example, student who write their inter MPC examinations in March can appear for their IIT examination or IIT JEE examination in the immediate upcoming June itself. The same is the case with NEET examination also. BPC students after finishing their intermediate examinations in the month of March can appear for the NEET examinations in the immediate upcoming June month itself. So why can't it be same for CA Foundation? Why the students should wait till the upcoming November or December? And you all know that the main objective of CEC or MECA students is to get admission into CA or CMA. Because of this aim, many students are getting admitted into MEC or CEC. Why should these students, I mean to say MEC or CEC students, wait till the November or December for CA Foundation examinations? These students should have been granted the facility to write their CA Foundation examinations immediately after completion of the 10 plus 2 examinations. I mean to say, if the student finishes his or her intermediate examinations in the month of March, he or she should be given an opportunity to appear for the CA Foundation examinations in the immediate June itself. Now, with the introduction of the provisional registration by ICA, now the students have a wonderful opportunity to write their examinations, I mean to say CA Foundation examinations immediately in the month of June, soon after completion of the intermediate examinations without waiting till November or December. Of course, this may not be possible with MPC by PC students, but certainly it is possible for MEC students. I think that some of other CA coaching centers might have also tried for the same. In fact, I don't know and I'm not aware of it. I'm giving my heartfelt appreciation to all those who tried for this. But I know that how much efforts have been put by our Prakash Garu for this achievement. See, with the introduction of this provisional registration concept, the students who have capacity can happily appear for the CA Foundation examination in June. Otherwise, the student is supposed to appear for the same examination in the month of November or December. Literally, this could save a valuable time of 6 months to every such student. And I'm also very happy to share that this is the first batch who are going to appear for the CA Foundation examinations in June 2021. Of course, due to this pandemic time, the examinations which are supposed to be held in the month of May 2021 or June 2021 are postponed to July 2021. This is first such batch who are appearing for the CA Foundation examinations immediately after completion of their MEC examinations without waiting for November or December to come. And I'm very much thankful to Prakash sir and all those who put their efforts for this notification. And I'm also thankful to the officials of ICA, the Central Council members and SRC members for this wonderful opportunity being given to the students. Thank you.